Hi. Some views of my house this time. See you. My house is located at Koodalloor on the Ettumanoor Pala Highway, 4 kilometers from Ettumanoor in Kottayam district. A return to the old age of the new home, adding to some of what we now use and what is now discarded in the name of waste, which the present generation has not seen and forgotten in the house of the new age. how my house is. Let's get acquainted with the old objects here. This is a leather doll. It is used for puppets. This is a yoke and a plow used by bulls to cover the ground. This is the enjavuri used to level the plow. This is the silver coal that was used to hang things in the past. This is the tint hour model in Malaysia. This is the model of the old bull car. This is an old soda bottle. It is also an old litter vessel. This is the container in which the seeds were stored. This is the old curry pathy. This is Ural and Ulaka. This is a paddy measuring thuni. This is the Chinese pot. This is a wooden mold used in the past to give designs on a kho. This is a wooden thava. This is a stone curry chatti. It's a old wooden kale. A flea kutha used to extract fleas from coconut. This is the kunji knife. This is a playboard, used for playing Pulam Kuzi in the past. This game is known by many names in many countries. This is a wooden cupboard where clothes were kept in the past. This is the Chinese pot and lantern. This is a silver cane. Snakes will bleed quickly when they touch silver. So the ancient cane was used by the ancients to beat the snake. This is the oldest measuring vessel. Ranjazi. This is the oldest measuring vessel. Nazi. This one Katakol. Old pipe, Pakaveti, and Chunnambu vessel. Karnataka Kodavilaku. A sculpture carved in sandalwood. Model of Naraboji on Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Buddha carved in sandalwood. This is a prayer tool. It is used in the prayers of Lord Buddha. Let me show you how to use it.